Hey guys, just making this quick video to remind you that if you want to make more money in your life, if you want to replace your job income, or you just want to add an extra stream of income, to the money that you currently have, now is the perfect time to do that. And you can do that by starting a business. It's already May of 2022. Can you believe it? The year is flying by, but you know what? Summertime is one of the best times to establish a business. June next month is literally summer. And come September, that's when the majority of us business owners get excited. We understand that like September to December is when we make the majority of our profits. You can benefit too, but you do have to have a business already established. So start now, and then you can definitely benefit later. Like, for example, when I started my Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing business, which is just basically you're publishing books that are print on demand and then they're selling on Amazon. When I did that, my first year, I put up just a few books, and I did that during the summertime. And come September to December, guys, when I put ads on those books, they raked in like thousands of dollars for me, like well over $10,000 pure profit for me. And all I had to do during those few months was just scale my ads. I just put money on my ads and I had book sales going. But that wouldn't have been possible if I didn't get started. So get started now so you can reap the benefits of whatever business you're interested in later. The difference between people who are successful and people who are unsuccessful is that successful people, they take action. It's called the speed of implementation. They'll hear about something that's very attractive to them that they know can change their life, and then they just go for it. After doing some research, they'll just go right for it. Whereas people who are unsuccessful, they'll make excuses, they'll kind of, take their time, they'll do a little research, and then they'll kind of just shelve it for later, and later never comes. So you can definitely change your life in as little as a few months, but you do have to start as soon as possible. So yeah, just a little reminder to you guys, definitely follow for more, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.